Hey grade 9s, so today in math we are going to learn about adding and subtracting polynomials, and basically by the end of this lesson you should be able to look at any expressions and either add or subtract them. So in order to start, we are going to do a little recap of what we learned from our last lesson, which is what like terms are, what is combining and grouping like terms, because honestly that's basically all adding is. So then life is super simple. So if we were to look at this example, if I was to ask you to group the like terms here, like terms means I am looking for terms that have the same variable and to the same degree. So if I see 4x, I will notice that 4x is like negative 2x. So these are like terms. And then our other set of like terms in this example is negative 1 and positive 2. Okay, so if we are going to actually add them, this is what it looks like. Maybe. Okay. So, of course, I'm going to do that to me. We are going to look at our first example. So we have add 3x minus 4 and 2x plus 5. So we will write our two expressions out. Minus 4, and we are going to add 2x plus 5. So in order to add, we group like terms. So 3x is a like term with 2x, and then we are just going to add our coefficients. So 3 plus 2 is 5, so this becomes 5x. And then our other like terms is negative 4 and positive 5, so we should have plus 1. That is all there is to it. So to do another example for you, we'll look at a here first. So we have 2a minus 1 plus 6 minus 4a. I'll rewrite this a little bigger for you. And I'm just going to remove the brackets for simplification reasons. So, like terms, 2a, is there any other ones that also have a variable a with a power of 1? There is 4a. I'm going to always include the sign that comes before it, so 2a minus 4a, so 2 minus 4 is negative 2a. So now if you are not super confident on your integers, don't forget you have your calculator that you can always just double check your integer calculations with. We don't know any different. So if we look at our last bit of this, we have negative 1 is a like term with positive 6, so we should end up with positive 5. Okay, now looking at b, I'm just going to erase this guy so we have a little more room. So 3t squared minus 5t. You'll notice in this example we actually have a binomial because it has two terms, and then our other expression is a trinomial. So 2t squared plus 2t plus 1. Almost ran out of room. Okay, so like terms, I'm going to always collect my ones with the biggest exponent first. So I have 3t plus t squared. So 3t squared plus 2t t squared. So 3 plus 1 is 4. Then we'll look at our next set of like terms. So we have negative 5t there. and we have plus 2t here. So we get negative 3t. And then we only have one constant left, which is plus 1. That is adding polynomials. So I am going to actually stop there so you can actually attempt your adding polynomials, and then we'll talk about subtracting in another video.